Morning, everyone. Today we will cover the second part of our topic, that is development. In the previous three lectures, we were focusing mainly on growth. Now we will study development. Okay. Development basically refers to maturation of function and acquiring the various skills. And it means baby start recognizing the mother, holding the head, hand regard, and all those things they are covered under development. And development milestones are related to maturation and migration. So this is a very important part of growth of the baby. So rules of development are: number one, this is a continuous process. This is not going to start at one point and end at another point. It will start with the fertilization and it will progress in an orderly manner until full maturity is attained. And second, development depends on the functional maturation of the nervous system. So neural maturation must be associated with the practice to learn skill. All those conditions which interfere with the neural maturation will eventually affect the development of the baby. So, along with functional maturation of the nervous system, there should be practice to learn the skills, so that both the things will occur concomitantly and they will help in development of the baby. The third is sequence of attainment of milestones. It is essentially in all children it is same. Variation exists only in time and manner of attainment. So three things are there. One is development is a continuous process. It depends on the functional maturation of the nervous system, and sequence of attainment of milestones is same. So sometimes you may come to know that mother often tell साडा बच्चा बहुत जल्दी चलना पाया, जो 9 महीने चलना पाया, जो 7 महीने चलना पाया. The thing is, sequence of attainment of milestone is going to be the same. Variation, it is only in time and manner of time. So that doesn't mean कि 9 महीने का बच्चा चल पाया तो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है, जो 10 महीने चल गया वो काट इंटेलिजेंट है. So that is normal time period आप किसी भी development milestone देते हैं, and in between those two variation of times, if a baby achieves the milestone, then it is normal. The process of development also progresses in cephalocaudal direction. It starts with the head and it goes towards the feet. Like पहले head holding आती है, then neck holding, then trunk, and then baby starts to crawl. So it goes into cephalocaudal direction. Certain primitive reflexes have to be lost before relevant milestones are attained, like parachute reflex, Donado reflex, sucking reflex. These reflexes must be lost. They will grow only then developmental milestones will be attained. Initial disorganized mass activity is gradually replaced by more specific and willful activity. That is development. Now, what are the factors that affect the development? All those factors that the growth are going to affect the development. Prenatal factor, maternal factor, neonatal factor, post-neonatal factor, and psychological. Now we come to prenatal factor. Genetic factors like chromosomal abnormalities in Down syndrome, GBDR, developmentally slow, X-linked mental retardation, fragile X syndrome, then single gene disorder, lysencephaly, and metabolic disorders like renal, they are all going to affect the development. Maternal factors. Maternal nutrition has adverse effect on birth weight and child development. Overall quality of maternal care can produce lasting changes in stress activity and memory in children. So we know maternal nutrition is going to affect the development as well as growth of the baby. Then exposure to drugs and toxins, maternal drugs or alcohol abuse, anti-epileptic drugs, environmental toxins can have adverse effect on childbirth. Maternal diseases and infection. PIH, pregnancy-induced hypertension, hypothyroidism, malnutrition, and fetal-placental insufficiency can impair growth in children growth and development also. Acquired infection, POX, syphilis, toxoplasmosis, AIDS, rubella, CMV can hamper physical and brain growth both. Exposure to free radicals and oxidants in vitro like chorioamnionitis can be cause of cerebral palsy and development impairment. Now we come to the next cause, that is neonatal risk factor. Low birth weight baby, they include premature baby or IUGR babies. Premature babies are at risk of intracranial bleed, white matter injury, hypoxia, hyperbilirubinemia, and hypoglycemia. So they will definitely affect growth and development of the baby. Then perinatal asphyxia, over 40% of survivors of significant asphyxia suffer from major neurocognitive disabilities. So asphyxia is a major cause of this neurocognitive disabilities. Neonatal seizures. Association of neonatal seizure with development impairment is related to the cause of the seizure. Definitely, if the cause is reversible, then outcome is good. Adverse outcome is associated with malformation of brain, inborn error of metabolism, hypoglycemia, severe hypoxia, intracranial bleeds, and intracranial infections. The next cause is post-neonatal factor, infant and child nutrition. We have already emphasized the importance of nutrition in the infancy and the early childhood. So severe caloric deficiency as evident by stunting is associated with apathy, decreased play, and activities. Caloric deficiency of multiple micronutrients and vitamins like A, D, B12, riboflavin, iodine, and zinc, they are associated with developmental abnormalities. Early growth flattery, less than 24 months, seems to be more detrimental to childbirth. Why? Because major growth of the brain takes place in the first 2 years of life. So any factor that is going to affect the growth of the baby in the first 24 months will definitely affect the development of the baby. Iron deficiency is associated with evidence of poor cognitive and motor development and delayed brain maturation in infancy and early childhood. And we know iron deficiency is very common in our society or in our part of the region. Then iron deficiency is also there in sub-Himalayan belt, so it can lead to congenital hypothyroidism and irreversible mental retardation. So it is the most common preventable cause of mental retardation. Now the incidents are less since we have started iodine supplementation in the salt, iodized salt. That is going to be a good boon in prevention of this preventable cause of mental illness. Infectious diseases like diarrhea, malaria, HIV, and other parasitic infections are associated with poor neurodevelopment. So you can see all these diseases are very common in our setup. So even diarrhea, malaria can cause sort of poor neurodevelopment. Environmental toxins. Now, babies play with if they are playing with the substandard toys, then lead, arsenic, mercury can have adverse influence on their neurocognitive development. Lead is a major part of paint which is used on the toys. Pesticides can occur in rural setup. They can affect the neurocognitive development. Now, next is acquired insult to the brain that can be traumatic or infectious insult. Meningitis, encephalitis, cerebral malaria, and drowning can have a permanent effect on brain development. Our last is psychosocial factor. Parenting, parental attitude, involvement, education, emotional warmth, or rejection of child, and desire for the child have an impact on the development of it. Definitely, if the baby is from an unwanted pregnancy, then they're going to be rejection of the child, and that can have quite an effect on the development of the baby. Then poverty, possibly the most common underlying factor for impaired child development worldwide. Lack of stimulation, social and emotional deprivation, and lack of adequate interaction and stimulation is an important cause of development impairment. Violence and abuse, child abuse, physical and sexual, can have profound psychosocial effect, psychological effect on the child. Domestic and community violence are emerging threat to childhood. And last is maternal depression. If negativity affect early childhood, it negatively affect early childhood. Now, maternal education and breastfeeding has a protective and promotive effect on childhood. Again, this is another benefit of breastfeeding. Okay. Now, domains of work. Development is, already I told you that this is due to maturation of the brain. Now we can divide the development into following domains. One is gross motor development. Second is fine motor skill development. And third is personal and social development, general understanding. And fourth is language. And fifth is vision and hearing. Those gross motor development. Supine and pulled to sit. Infant is observed in supine position and then gently pulled to sitting position. In the newborn period, head completely lags behind the back and back is rounded. And at 6 weeks, head controlled well. By 12 weeks, there is only a slight head lag, and by 20 weeks, child has a complete neck control. So, important thing is this will be